Hello all, my name is Mayank Verma. In this video, I'm going to explain how to convert column type from string to date format in Pandas data. So when these types of problem is re- uh, always raising when we import data from different file like CSV file, text file, or Excel file, or SQL query file, or JSON file. So these types of problem always raising. So let us start how to convert a string from the date column into date time format. So now I'm here importing pandas library, and here I'm taking an example. This is example of sales data. So you can see that here I'm taking example, uh, creating a dictionary. Index dictionary, I have created 4 column like tier, date 1, date 2, store, and sales. So now here you are thinking that why I'm creating 2 date column here. So I will explain it further why I'm creating 2 date column. So here you can see that here I have 2 date column, date 1, date 2, and store and is sales. So let's check the data type of these columns. So you can see that date is also present in object means string format, and date 2 also present in string format. Sales is also store is also present in an object or string format, and sales is in integer format. So here I'm using to underscore datetime function to convert any date column into datetime format. So you can see that here I'm creating a new column. So here I'm creating new column to explain you, but you can also do same thing in same column. Here you can say use like date 1. So I am using to underscore date time function from the pandas library. And in this function I'm passing df dot date 1 means here I'm passing only date 1 column. So let's run this line of code. Now let's see the changes in our data frame. So here you can see that there is no changes in our data frame, but let's check the data type of columns. So you can see that date 11 is in date time 62 format. So with the help of the day 2 underscore date time function from the data frame, we can change the date format, and we can also use here we can also use as type function to change the data type. So let's see the output of this line of code, how to change the date format. Now I am creating another column. You can see that here tier. So there is no any difference between date 1, date 11, and date 13. Now let's check the output data type of. So to check the data type, we use date types function. You can also, if you don't know about the date type function, you can see my first video that of the pandas library. So now here you can see that date time 62. So here as type function is used for to change the data type. Suppose that when we want to change the into string format, so we simply have pass the string str so that we can change the data type. Now let's check. Here I'm converting date to column to date time format. So for this here I'm creating date to column new column to date time format. So let's remove this and let's check the output of this column line of code. So here you can see that. So here you can see that date 22 is in this format, like this is 2020. This 12 is stand for 12 month, and 01 is stand for first date. But when we pass tf dot to underscore date time function simply without any parameter, so it's considered like 2001. This is one is coming from this. Here it's considered like this 20 is day and 12 is month and 1 is year. So that's why it's written 2001 year, 12 month, and 20 date. So therefore, when we have date column in complex format. It's when it is not separated or when it is not a simply form, and then where we pass the format parameter. In this format where we define our date call, here we define our date formatting here. So here I'm defining that small y stand for 20, small m is stand for 12, and small d is stand for 0 1. So now you can see that the output of this. So here you can see that it's considered 2020 12 01. That's why I'm taking this example here to date column. Now you can see df, now it's its correct format. Now let's check the data type of this column. So here you can see that date 22 is in date time. And now let's see the date formatting. So there are different types of date formatting. Like when we use percent a for the full weekend as local for full name, a small a is for in a local for half name, and small capital B is for full month name, small b is used for a month name integer, a small m is used for a month name is integer, a small d is used for month name with decimal places. Uh, with root character, and a small m for in month name, and is percent is capital Y is for full year, and percent is small y is for only digit year, 2 digit year. So now here I'm using datetime library. With the help of the datetime library, we can format our date per data type in any form. So here you can see that I'm in date time 1 1 date column. Let's see the data frame. So here I'm using this date 1 1 column. So I'm in data frame date 1 1 column. I'm using dt from str time function from date time. So you can see that dt dot strf. So here you can see that here I'm from date time library. I'm using strf function. In strf function, I'm passing the format of our date. So here I'm passing capital Y for 4 digit year, capital B for full date time, and capital B for full month, a small b for date, and a small a for week name. So you can see that here I'm just converting this date format in this form. So let's create a new column. Tf is equal to uh, so you can see that now here we have data frame. Now you can see that I have converted date 1 1 as like 2020 December 01 and Tuesday. Now you suppose you want to convert this dash with backslash so that you can see that. Now capital B, let's say small b. So now here you can see that the full December month name is converted into short form days here. Now suppose that you want 2020 2000 days, and suppose you want only year date for here. So you can see that, or you can see only here. Yeah. So thank you. Happy learning.